Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Kraken app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Kraken app mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, by default you will be on this markets page where you are going to see your favorite coins that are placed on the home page, but you will have to tap on spot and margin and then you will be able to see all of the cryptos or the coins that you can purchase on Kraken. If you scroll down, you will have to tap on the load more option and you will be able to see a bunch of different other cryptos as well. So among these, you just have to select which crypto you want to purchase on Kraken app. Let's say I want to purchase Gala, so I'll simply tap on Gala slash USD pair. Over here you will be able to see its chart, so this will tell you the current price of Gala. So you will have to tap on the buy option in the bottom and then you will be shown the buy option where you will have to enter the amount of USD that you want to spend in order to purchase Gala. Afterwards, you simply need to tap on the buy option. This way you will be able to easily purchase your crypto on Kraken app. If you want to purchase any other crypto, then you will have to come back to this page again, and after that you just have to select the another coin. Then you need to tap on buy option, and after entering the amount you just have to press the buy option. This way you will be able to easily buy cryptos on Kraken app. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.